Hello, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 key use cases of Mida Visual Editor. So if you like to test and experiment simple changes, like for example, copywriting changes, or you want to test the different hero banner or product images, or you want to reposition certain elements or reposition the entire section of the page, or simply add blocks to the existing page, then Mida Visual Editor can be very helpful to make this kind of simple and quick changes so you can launch experiment fast. On the other hand, if you want to make a more complicated kind of change without coding skill, then we have this Mida GX, Generative Experimentation, which will allow you to make changes to your page just by chatting with our AI, which we will cover this in another video, right? So now let's move on to Mida app to show you exactly what you can do with Mida Visual Editor. Alright, so to use Mida Visual Editor, you have to go for this A/B test campaign, right? So you can start a new A/B test campaign and then enter the page that you want to lose out the Mida Visual Editor and give your campaign a name, say the homepage test, for example, and click on next. Then Mida will automatically open out a visual editor in a new tab to allow you to make changes to your page, right? So right now we are on the Mida Visual Editor. If you want to test different copywriting, then you can just simply the copy that you want to make changes and then edit the copy with this content editor. So right here, right below here, there are some styling options for you to apply to your fonts as well. Save that once you are good with the new copy, right? So that is the first use case. And if you want to test different hero banner images or product images, then you can select the images, edit elements, and then we have this asset manager for you to upload the new images, right? So once you have uploaded that, you can select the new images and then replace with the new images to see whether these new images will perform better compared to the original ones, right? So that is the second use case. And the third one is that if you want to play around with the position of the elements, you can select the element as well, and then you can move up or down with the elements. So that is one way. And then the other way is that you can use this drag and drop function as well, right? You can enable that. And then select the elements that you want to move around, right? And then you can just drop to the place that you want it to be, right? So once you have moved it to the place that you want to move to, then you can disable these drag and drop functions. And then you can also apply some styling to the element as well. Say that I want to add some margin to the top of the elements, right? So it looks better. So it's not crowded on these sections, right? So that is how you can reposition a specific element on your page. Now, let's say you want to not just a specific elements, but you want to move the entire sections to a specific spot on the page, then you can do so as well via these reposition elements by selector path. So first select the entire sections that you want to move, the targeted destination, the entire section, select that, and get the selector path of the target elements, right? Place it over here, and then now move it to the destination that you want it to move to. Say that I want to move it to above these sections, right? So I want to select this entire section as well. And then get the select the path of the destinations. And say that I want to move it before the destination part. You can see that I have moved these testimonial sections to above this integration section. So that's how you can precisely reposition the entire section to a specific spot on the page, right? And lastly, if you want to just simply add a new blocks to your existing page, you can also do that as well. Say that I want to add a new description sections, right? Let me select this one, the entire sections. I can copy the entire block, copy elements, and say that I want to add a new sections. And then I can select this target destination. I'll place the element after this element, right? Yep, so you can see that I have copied this entire block and added it to here, right? And then from here I can make new copy changes, and then I can also like replace the element with replace the image with another image, another new product image as well, right? Yeah, so that is basically the 5 use cases of Mida Visual Editor. Then once you are good with all the changes that you want to make before you save and continue, there's option here for you to preview the changes on different device layout as well to make sure that the changes that you want to make is showing out as intended on different device layout as well, right? Okay, yeah, so that's it. And then we can save and continue, and Mida will bring you back to this targeting page. Yeah, And then before you launch or proceed to next step, you can also preview the control and preview the variant as well, right? So this is the new copy that we have made. We have moved this down here. We added the new sections, and then we moved the testimonial section, and then with the original version. Yeah, so that's how you can preview and double check the changes that you want to make on the page, right? So that's it for the Mida Visual Editor walkthrough. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.